This is a collection of all my video shorts on the camera drawings. Through them, I aim to showcase several possible approaches and methods for exploration, and learn that you're only bound by the limit of your imagination. Watch all 15 videos here and comment below on which you enjoyed the most.
I turn my camera on, I cut my fingers on the way, I feel it slipping away, I wipe my feelings off, you made me untouchable for life, oh yeah, and you wasn't tonight, you hit me like a tone, I don't know where it's from.
Where are you now? At under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm faded.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. The river running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know?
You're always afraid to take the first step because all you see is every negative thing 10 miles down the road. But you can do anything you want. You are bound by nothing. What are you passionate about? What do you want?
How many times do you have to hear, if nothing changes, nothing changes? And yet, somehow we expect things to change.
I have given every single thing, every ounce of my life to this craft, to perfecting my craft, and I continue to do so. And in the process, I have lost my mind to regular society, to people who wake up at 9 a.m., who clock out at 5 p.m. They would look at me and say, I've lost my mind, but me, I have found it.
Working in the lab late one night, when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster mash.
the monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash,
They They did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash. The zombies were heavy.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
So we got your test results back. I'm afraid you're artistic.
I'm autistic?
No. You're not autistic. There's nothing wrong with that. You're artistic. There is something wrong with that.
Oh, what's the prognosis?
Well, that's where things get somewhat complicated. You see, you'll live roughly the same length as the average person, but it's your quality of life that'll be a concern.
How's my quality of life gonna change?
Well, where do I start? You'll have a lot of hobbies that you'll fail to monetize. You'll dabble in 1,000 things, but never fully commit to one. You'll always be somewhat distracted.
Do you hear that noise? Is that your air conditioner making that noise?
It'll be difficult for you to finish anything. People will try to take advantage of you and pay you an exposure.
Yeah, I think your air conditioner's humming like a C sharp or something.
Daniel, focus! Being artistic is hard. In success, you'll be suspicious of your friends. In failure, you'll be suspicious of your dreams.
That is so freaky.
Which part?
The lights, I think they hum too.
It's worse than I thought.
Well, so what? Okay, I'm an artist. Big deal.
It's a very serious condition.
Okay, how are you sure that I have it?
Well, let's just go over your test results, shall we? You were asked if there was anything you've been interested in purchasing lately.
Yeah?
You responded with, heck yeah, I'm looking into getting some tasty prime lenses or maybe even some anamorphic glass. That would be freaking sweet. What does that mean?
Isn't it obvious?
Not to those who aren't hyperfixated.
Oh, well, those are just nice camera lenses to make videos with.
Okay, but you know, that could easily creep up into thousands of dollars of stuff. How would you afford all that?
I don't know. Put it on a credit card?
Daniel.
I can ask my mom for help. Oh, I can live in a van!
If your inner monologue could speak to me now, would it say, I'm misunderstood, or would it say, I'm totally fine?
The first one, but it would probably say it in like a forlorn French accent kind of way.
Would you what?
Oh, I am misunderstood. Oh no.
Is, kind of what it would probably sound like.
seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising their sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tale. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry.